All right, my first attempt at cold brew coffee at home. And I got some coarse ground coffee for this occasion. Yes, you can grind your own, but I like to ease into things. And if this works out and I enjoy doing it, then I will definitely up my game and start grinding coffee. But in order to dip my toe in the water sometimes, I just don't want to make it too complicated. So I did some research on YouTube, and obviously I didn't want to spend a ton of money, but I wanted to get something decent, so this was the best bet. I'll put the info and the price up in the video now. But this is what we're dealing with. I guess the coffee is going to go inside the middle part, the water is going to hit the outside part, and it's going to all mix together after about 24 hours. And I will have some delicious homebrew coffee, no more Starbucks, which I haven't done in a while anyway. It's been McDonald's, which is probably not the best. So this will be stronger and less acidic as far as the research shows. So let's see what we got to do. All right, these are instructions. It looks pretty simple. It's 4 steps. All right, looks like the first thing we got to do is get rid of this and then fill this up with some filtered water. Looks like I'm gonna need more water. So while I'm waiting for the filter to do its job with my water, I'm gonna open this never tried before coffee and give it a whiff. Smells pretty good, almost chocolatey. This is coarse ground from Guatemala. That's all I know. All right, the filter's done its job. Let's fill the rest of this thing with water. All right, let's add some coffee. By the way, this is our filter, and it's got like a net mesh in there. And then this is gonna go into the water jug, spin in there, and then just seep for about 24 hours. So I really don't know how much to add, so it's probably gonna be strong. Let's see if that's enough. That's quite a bit of coffee. If it's weak, it's weak. If it's strong, it's strong. All right, into the water it goes. All right. Oh, now I can see why they don't fill it up. Leak all over the place. We learn as we go, kids. Let me empty out some of this water. All right, take 2, just to the rim. This thing is really tight, which I do like. Let's put this cap on, and evidently we're gonna leave this in for 24 hours, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, hopefully with some delicious coffee. Awesome, fits in the little fridge too, by the way.
The next day.
All right, guys, it's looking tasty. It's been about 18 hours, not 24, but I gotta go work out, so I need some coffee. So let's give this a taste and see if I made it too strong, too weak, or what, because I just eyeballed that. You know what I do. There's no instructions, only experience. Ice, that's the first thing. All right, just a little bit of half and half for me. Other people like to do like, it's crazy. They do like half milk, half coffee, or sometimes 2 to 1. That's just insane to me. Do your thing, do you. All right, from what I understand, this is gonna be much stronger because it's been seeping for a while. So I'm gonna add a little water and we'll see if that the proper consistency or whatever. I have no idea what I'm saying. I haven't had my coffee. All right, let's see if this thing smells good first. Ooh, okay, hold on. See, we're learning. I'm learning right here with you. I've never done this before. I gotta take this to the sink because the filter is inside. That's looking like some good coffee though. Guys, I just took a whiff of this and it smells amazing. I'm gonna do it one more time for your pleasure and benefits. Yes, it smells amazing. Let's pour a little bit of coffee in here and see what's up. Now, there is no spout. That's a bit of a bummer. Hey, it's Chris from the future. I just wanted to say this thing does actually have a spout, but you just got to keep this one plastic piece on, and then you got the spout. So it's not in the glass, it's in the plastic. Okay, so it looks like I'll get 2 coffee cups per batch. All right, guys, before we taste, we must season. A little bit of cinnamon. This is my trick. You do what you do. So we'll put a little bit of that in. Supposedly, this way of brewing it is supposed to be a little sweeter and a little less acidic, so you might not need as much sweetener. Next, shake that shit up. All righty. Let's get a straw and taste this stuff. Now, the reason I do a straw is it's just better for your teeth. Good, really good. Could use a touch more sweetener. Just a touch. Like I say, this has only been about 16 hours, so I don't know if that makes a difference, but like I say, you could get all crazy with this sweetening and whip the milk and all that stuff. This is just I got to head off to the park and get some walk/jogging in. So this and lemon water keeps me going up until about 1 or 2 in the afternoon when I have my first meal, which is part of this whole reason I'm doing this. All right, one more sip with a touch more sweetener. It is good though. Really good. All right, that's it. Cold brew at home. Actually, I guesstimated pretty well. It doesn't seem too strong. I might add a little water to this just to make it go a little further. I don't know how strong this is. The first time I tried cold brew was at Starbucks. It was really strong. So that's what kind of got me into thinking, hey, if it's less acidic and stronger and cheaper, well, let's do that. So that's where we're at. So anyway, do your own thing, buy your own stuff, watch a lot of YouTube videos, experiment a few times, and get some cold brew at home.